know we're in the middle of a pandemic, and for some of you that means you've been cooking a lot at home. And some of you have been struggling because you really don't know the basics of cooking. So you're gonna love this series. This is 30 Days of Cooking Basics. I'm Angeline Chu Longshore, and this is Chew on This Flavorful Wisdom. First, you want to tear off the skin. So here's how you dice an onion. As you can see, I'm not going all the way through. Okay. And then you turn it this way and you do the same thing. Apart. Then you take one side and you can make it as small and thin as you want. The thinner you cut, the smaller the pieces are going to be. You want to make sure you kind of hold your fingers like this on the onion. Now you cut it, and then you can just, if you wanted to, cut even more. Do that. Now our next piece. My eyes are starting to get watery and teary from the onion, so you just put your face in the freezer, and the freezer freezes your tears, and that takes away the pain. Be sure to stay tuned tomorrow for another basic cooking tip of the day. Spinning